going on, guys? It is Austin with the Semi Saucin YouTube channel. I'm in my truck. We're just hanging out. I'm currently in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm on my way to South Jordan, Utah. So it's gonna be like a 3 or 4 day trip. I was trying to put an extra like 2.5 hours in today, and I was up throwing up last night. I must have ate something that messed my stomach up, so I was kind of tired. Once I got into Vegas, I was a little groggy, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna shut down. If I want to put in extra work tomorrow to like try to still make it a 3-day trip, then I'll do that. If not, it's gonna be a 4-day trip, which it's in my my load book as a 4-day. I was just gonna try to come back a little earlier so I could do like a round trip to Vegas or something on Wednesday, get some extra miles in. But yeah, so this is the recap. Things are gonna be a little bit different now. I want you guys to know that I'm looking at my analytics when I make my videos, and I'm trying to tweak things based off of the feedback that I'm getting from the numbers. And so the numbers are telling me that a lot of the average viewer time on my videos is about 4 to 5 minutes. So most of my recap videos are like 15 minutes long. So to save everybody the trouble, I'm not gonna ramble so much. I'm gonna try to condense these videos into like 5 to 6 minute videos. That way it's easier for you guys. You guys don't have to worry about, you know, sitting through a boring ass video, me like rambling on about unnecessary stuff. It's gonna be concise, it's gonna be well thought out to the point, and yeah, I'm trying not to drag them out too long. Second thing is the trip vlogs are officially ready to go. I just edited my first trip vlog. It'll probably come out 2 to 3 days after this video comes out. This video should come out tomorrow, which would be Monday. Yeah, Monday. I'm a little behind, but it's because of, you know, I'm moving things around for Target and stuff, and things have just been a little different over here, you know. As far as Target goes, I started on Monday. Obviously, as you can tell, you can usually tell by the net or by the writing on the back, I'm in a brand new 2023 Freightliner Cascadia. I was gonna do a video about it. It would take too long for me and my brother to like get our schedules on and stuff. If we ever decide to do like a truck review, I'll do that, and I'll walk you guys through my truck and stuff. But that will be a later time, but I don't want to have to like hide it from you guys every time I do a video. So I did my last load with these guys last Friday, and then I dropped off my International, picked up the Freightliner, transferred everything over, and then I brought my truck home. And I got in trouble because I realized that on Target things are just a little different, and on Target you can't take your trucks home. So the guy called me and was like, hey, like, don't take your truck home again, please. Like, they're brand new trucks. And I'm like, all right, that's fine. Like, I'm just, you know, I'm used to taking my truck home. I've been taking my truck home since I started. So it's a little unfortunate, you know. It's more gas I gotta pay for my wife to come pick me up whenever I'm in town, or I'm gonna just stay at the terminal if, you know, money's tight or whatever. So there's that. I've done 4 loads. This is my 4th load with these guys. I've gone to Albuquerque twice, and then I've done a round trip to Vegas. So it's been good. I don't have a key to my kingpin locks yet because there are these locks that go on the trailer, on the kingpin of the trailer, so that nobody takes them. And most of the Target guys have their own key. I don't have mine yet. They're gonna get me one. There's plans and intentions to get me one. But you know, it is what it is. You know, we're works in progress. My driver leader is still going through training, so me and her are touching base a lot just to see where she's at and where I'm at. And yeah, now I'm going to Utah, and I was a little apprehensive because it's obviously like it's snow season. I haven't driven in the snow yet, so I was trying to just avoid it as long as I could. But what are you gonna do? It's time to go to Utah. So I'll be in Utah tomorrow. I'll swap my trailers at Target, and then I will stay at the Utah terminal tomorrow night, unless I feel really ballsy and want to try to drive back to Vegas, which I probably won't do. Just depends on how I get sleep tonight. And then I will be going to Vegas Tuesday if that's the case. If I end up sleeping in Utah, I'll come to Vegas on Tuesday. Wednesday I'll be going home, dropping my trailer, and I'll either reset Thursday or they'll have something else for me. I don't know what their plan is. But yeah, it's a 1,300 mile load. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to make it to where I'm running like 400 to 500 miles a day, just to kind of maximize the amount of money I'm making. I've been running about 450 miles a day. You know, if I get a round trip to Vegas, it's 600. So those are pretty cool. But yeah, that's how it's been this week. I'm just going to keep running. Again, now we're just kind of stacking up the time. I'm just paying my dues time-wise until I have enough tenure to buy a truck. That's really, it's going to be a little dull for a little bit because I'm just going to be running. There's nothing to really work towards. We got target. We're here. We did it. So I appreciate everybody's support. We've been growing a lot lately. We're approaching 200 subscribers fairly quickly, and we're approaching 20,000 views. It's a lot of milestones are happening, and I'm very excited. I appreciate all the support, and I appreciate how interested everybody is in my journey and what I have to offer knowledge-wise to the new and up-and-coming drivers. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments so that I can, respond and keep interactions going, and obviously take the feedback and again implement it in my videos. If you don't like the shorter videos, put them in the comments and let me know so I can kind of take, maybe the numbers on YouTube aren't accurate to what you guys are actually doing, and maybe I'm doing something wrong here cutting the video short. So let me know. I'm constantly trying to just improve and make this experience and these videos better and more susceptible to you guys. I want to make it easier for you guys to absorb the information and to get as much information to you guys as possible. So just keep the feedback there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications to know when the next video is coming out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. The next video you guys see is going to be a trip vlog that's going to be coming out in a couple days. And that's going to be, that's another beast. Let me know what you guys think. Love, peace, and chicken grease. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.